Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the features available in the CommBank app. The CommBank app offers a comprehensive suite of features to manage your money on the go. You can easily check your account balances, transfer money between accounts, and pay bills using BPAY. For faster payments, you can use a Pay ID, which allows you to send and receive money using a mobile number or email address. The app also provides tools to help you with your financial health. Money Plan lets you track your spending, manage your bills, and set savings goals. You can see your cash flow and even get predictions for upcoming bills with Bill Sense. For your cards, the app gives you full control. You can temporarily lock or permanently block a lost or stolen card, change your card's PIN, and activate a new card as soon as it arrives. The app also includes advanced security features like name check to help prevent mistaken payments and caller check to verify if a call from CommBank is legitimate. The CommBank app also integrates other services. You can use it to book travel through a partnership with Hopper, or even find and finance a car. For businesses, you can set up a business profile to get a clear view of your business finances and access specific tools like cash flow insights. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.